What do you make of events like this, and why do you think they're so important?
Look, I think these are great events. You know, you always come to these things with a little bit of apprehension, thinking whether there's going to be, some real value added. I think that's definitely the case here. I think the quality of the speakers and I think the overall initiative of trying to promote Geneva, leveraging on our expertise as wealth managers, to add the tech component to it is vital to not becoming irrelevant over the next decade or so.
Yeah, absolutely. You mentioned tech there and fintech. How important is it for your company to really embrace the new technology and implement it into your business?
It's very important. It takes up a lot of management time. My partners and I spend countless hours thinking about this and talking about different ways to get involved. Examples of failures to disrupt from within are rife in the industry. We definitely don't want to end up there, but we are also cognizant of the fact that changing a business model which functions is not an easy thing to do. So, to answer your question, yes, we are concerned with it. We are trying to do whatever it is we can, while not throwing out the baby with the bathwater on a model that works for us today. And so that kind of dual challenge is keeping us up.
You mentioned disruption there. How much disruption has cryptocurrencies, the blockchain, that kind of new area had on you guys?
Honestly speaking, not yet. Other than certain requests as to whether we're able to transact in crypto, whether we're able to custody various types of crypto. For the moment, it's not really a wave of disruption per se. I think there's too much volatility. There is still a high element of incomprehension among the population at large as to what these currencies really are, how safe they are. There are examples of obviously custodians going bust or people losing their keys. So I think still a lot of questions need to be answered. But I'm a firm believer that decentralized type currency will definitely be mainstream at some point in time. It's not for tomorrow though.
Mm-hmm. So with that being the case, is there anything that will be for tomorrow that you see coming around the corner?
I think more in the wealth management space, going back to a theme which has been discussed as well this morning on robo. I think there you've seen there is proof in the pudding that robo advisors can perform well. I think wealth management is very much about the processing of data, at least in terms of liquid investments, more traditional type investments. I think on the illiquid side, private equity will always necessitate a human intervention, and that's probably where we can still make a significant difference. But on the simple processing of data and making a decision as to buying or selling based on metrics which are readily available, I think it's undeniable. We'd have to be blind to believe that a human will still continue to do this better than a computer in the coming years.